Hey everybody, this is another short video on the very first parrot's beak I ever purchased. I had it for a few years and it was a fairly dense, stocky tree, and then I decided to restyle it to make it much more open. And as you can see, it needs that maintenance to keep the elongating branches from getting out of control. I've got wire on the apex to try to bring it a little more forward. But once again, this is just going to be an installment video where you'll be able to watch this guy over time with each one of these trimmings become a nicer and nicer and nicer tree. All of this stuff on the trunk can come off. None of that is part of the design. In fact, if I allowed that stuff to grow, it would detract from the design. I want to keep this little guy in front very short. First main branch, second main branch. Work up into the apex. And parrot's beak present some paradoxes. They develop quickly, but they also require a lot of maintenance because they grow so rampantly with such long leggy growth. And keeping the pads in check, keeping the space between the branches, and all the rest of the stuff that we try to do with our trees requires a level of maintenance that's a little bit more than most. Trees. So once again, just a short video, keeping this guy in check, and I will, over the years, I will add this to a montage of this tree as it continues to grow and continue to develop. And so that's it for this video. If you're not already subscribed, you can subscribe and watch the beginnings of this guy. I will leave a link at the end of this video to, I think it's a playlist. So I'll leave a playlist so you can watch the early days of this tree. And so that's it for today, for this video. Just want to keep things in line, and then we'll have another one and another one and another one, and then in 2, 3, 4 years I'll be able to put them all together and you'll be able to watch, 4 years worth of refinement in a few minutes. So that's my goal. So thank you so much for watching.